Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Bobby G, and we're back again for another video on my channel. Y'all know how we do around here. And today, y'all know I had to get on the new AirTags, this 2.0, if we want to call it that. I was getting some major FOMO, so I had to get onto it, guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got with these new AirTags. First and foremost, I want you guys to look and see the difference in the packaging. So this is last year. This is the 1.0 AirTags packaging. You guys can see right here, it's more of a square box. And that's going to mean that everything inside of here is going to be organized in more of a square fashion. So you can see your old ones, these opened up in a square. Got access to your AirTags. So for this one though, we'll go ahead and give this to y'all fresh. Okay, I heard that peel, but we're going a long way this time. Gonna have your usual books, usual stuff on here, nothing really fancy. But then you've got your AirTags, and again, a tall setup. What is this? Vertical, not horizontal, not more of a horizontal setup there. So you can see the AirTags right there. And this here, for the first time ever, guys, I did some custom AirTags. So let me show you what I did with these. Okay, you've already saw the first. Got my dog face, where my dog's at. Got the cow, because the cow is too cute. Got the unicorn because it's a unicorn, why not? And then I got the, I don't know, I call this the Tetris one. My wife told me this is some kind of animal, something like that. I don't know. But these are the custom ones. So these are the ones I did. It was a free of charge. They don't charge for the engraving. If you're gonna like resell these, that might affect something. So just keep that as a heads up if you're gonna do this personalization. But other than that, these are the ones I went with this year. So let me go ahead and tell you guys what to expect in this video as we keep going, okay? So I'm actually gonna do a real world test in my house between the first gen AirTag, which is gonna be this one right here, this plain one over here to this side, and the new ones. So what I'm gonna check on this is I wanna test real world range in my house of the distance that these pick this up let's run that back one more time. The distance that the new AirTags are able to locate, that precision finding versus the old ones. I want to kind of put some real world tests myself. And then also, I've got these Mophie Knit Loop holders for them that I want to try. I got these off Apple. It comes with some different colors. So I'm going to put these on these as well, on my new AirTags. And I'll show you guys how that look and give you my thoughts on these as well. So it's going to be a long video, but I got to recommend, guys, stick around. It's going to be worth it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these paired. And then we're gonna do my first test. Okay, I'm gonna take these and put these at 2 increments. Halfway through the house. So I'm at the front of my house, I'm gonna put them in the middle of the house. We will do some Find My. And then I'm going to put them at the back of the house and we'll do another Find My and we'll see how well they work with that. So let me set these up off camera. Talk amongst yourself, I'll be right back. All right, so right now, I have set up both the 2.0, the new AirTags, and the first version, first generation in the middle of my house. So basically smack dab from the front door in the middle. This is showing you, I just wanted to show you guys the distance detection. Again, I'm at the front of the house. It's telling me connected. The signal is weak. Try moving to a different location. So it's not able to do that precision finding. Again, I'm at the front of the house, midway through my house. It's not able to find it, okay? So I'm not close enough for this one. That's that 1.0 AirTag. Now I'm gonna switch over and show you guys how well it picks up the 2.0, the second generation. All right, so here's the second generation. It says connected. Signal is weak, try moving, okay? So again, I'm at the front of my house and the AirTag is in the middle of my house, but you can see the first one wouldn't pick up anything at all on that first one. On this second one though, you guys can see it connected and it's showing me the distance of how far that it is. So the first one connected, but it told me it couldn't tell me how close it was. Again, it just said, hey, move closer to find it. The second 2.0 version, it connected, and it's also telling me the distance. So I really like that part of it. So this is the 2.0. Now the AirTag is at the back of my house. Okay, so again, I'm at the front of my house, is at the back of my house. It does show connected, but we're kind of getting the same results that we got from the 1.0. So of course, just like anything else, guys, there's limitations, but I just wanted to show you guys real world test of the new ones and the old ones. So again, 2.0 is able to connect to that AirTag that's all the way at the back of my house, but it's not able to give me a precision because it says signal's too weak, okay? Now let me go back to the 1.0 and see if it can even connect. All right, so we got our 1.0 right here. It also says it's able to connect, so it did connect to that one too. It says signal's weak, try moving. So on this test, just showing you kind of there is a limitation to the distance it was able to pick up. So y'all saw in the first one, it was halfway through my house. It was able to connect to both of them, but it was able to give me at least the distance in feet on the 2.0. The 1.0 doesn't have that. When they're at the back of the house, both of them have their limitations, right? Again, it shows connected, but it tells me basically on both of them that they're just far away and you got to move to get a better signal on them. All right, so the next one, I've got a test that I'm going to try to do. I don't know how well this is going to work out, guys. Again, this is kind of something I'm just developing on the fly is. But one of the selling points of this new AirTags is supposedly that they're louder, okay? I did my test already with the sound off camera, and absolutely, there is a noticeable difference in the volume between the first gen and the second gen of the AirTags, but I'm going to use my watch to measure the decibels and let you guys see real time. Again, a little bit of trust involved. You guys have to trust, right? But let you see real time the output, I guess you could say. Okay, so we've got our decibel meter on. This is the 1.0 right here. Now let me go ahead and switch over to the 2.0. I'm gonna do that again just because it went off for some reason. So you guys saw on camera yourselves the difference in the volume between the two. So that's gonna be the, supposedly it's supposed to be the best major selling points of this new ones. Longer range to find it, better precision finding, louder. Other than that, just showing you guys again, here's a new one, here's the old one. Other than that, just looking at the back of them, they basically look the same, okay? They changed up the wording on there as far as they use more capitalization on the new AirTags, if you guys could see that, right? But on the back, they look the exact same. Last test I'm gonna do for you guys, and then we'll throw on these holders and then we'll roll out the video. It's gonna be a weight test because I just wanna see what else is different with these AirTags. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that on. This is the first gen AirTag right here. So it's gonna come in at 11 grams for the Gen 1. Gen 2. So 11 grams. So they're actually gonna weigh the same. So no difference in the weight. So there you go, guys. Got everything set up and installed. That's gonna be the front view of these AirTag holders, these knit loops. And that's gonna be the back view right there. You guys can see the different colors that you get with this right here. These are pre-installed color bands. So time to wrap it up, guys. All in all, from my real world test that you guys saw, I think it is a big improvement. Is it worth the money? Absolutely, absolutely. Like I used to be a skeptic about AirTags and the smart tags from Samsung, but after you use them, it's one of those things of like, why didn't I have this sooner? Why didn't I have this earlier? It just helps you find things so much easier. And with the Ultra Band, the version 2.0 on these new AirTags, it just makes that precision finding even better from further distances. So that's a huge win. And coming in at the same price, again, $100 for a 4-pack. Like this right here's 4-pack was $100. And then I think this was like, I'm just shooting up from the hip, but I think it was like 50 bucks for this, for a 4-pack of these knit holders, which the material is really nice on these guys. Are the AirTags worth it? Absolutely. Are they an upgrade over last year? Absolutely. Would I recommend them? Absolutely. Without a question. Now, can you buy a holder that's going to be on Amazon for silicone, that's going to be a really cheap material for super cheap? Heck yeah. But if you want quality, you want something different, this is something new that I'm trying out this year. So absolutely, I recommend these little suckers from Mophie. So check them out as well. Y'all know how we do it. I'll link all this in the video description, guys. This is different than my usual phone and phone case accessories reviews, but I'm going to start trying to get some more accessory videos on my channel. So let me know what you guys would like to see in the comment section. Let me know, do you think these new AirTags are worth it? Do you like these holders that I got? Let's have a conversation in the comment section, guys. As always, this channel is 100% funded by myself, so this all came out of my hard-earned moolah right here. The way that you could help me support and make more videos is by using the links to make your purchases for these products at no cost to you, but that helps this channel create content like this for you guys. So again, I appreciate you so much, guys, for stopping by and checking out my video for the AirTags 2.0, the Gen 2s. Let me know what y'all think. It's your boy Bobby G. I'm out. Peace.